How to create a Liftshare team. To create a Liftshare team, you must first add a journey as a driver or a passenger and search for a match. Once you have found a match, you are able to find out more about the member by clicking on their journey information. Like what you see? If you would like to get to know the member before sending the request to share, click the message button to strike up a conversation. Once you're happy, if you are a passenger, click Ask to Share to request the lift. If you are a driver, click the message button and politely ask the passenger if they would like to send you a request to share. Once the request to share has been accepted by the driver, the Liftshare team has been formed. If you're part of a community, you can find information about your team by going to Liftshare Teams.